10 traits that men find irresistible. Hello there. Do you want to know the top secret traits that men find irresistible? Don't worry, you're in the right place. I've seen and heard it all. Today I'm here to spill the tea on what men can't resist when it comes to ladies. Number 1, confidence. Confidence is key. There's something undeniably attractive about a confident woman. Men can't help but be drawn to her. The reason is self-assured energy that she exudes. When you're confident, you're unapologetically yourself. That kind of authenticity is irresistible. Confidence is a sign of self-respect. A man can't help but value you when he sees that you value your self-respect. A confident woman knows what she wants. She isn't afraid to go after it. That kind of determination and drive is incredibly alluring. And let's not forget about the way confidence translates to the bedroom. A woman who is aware of her needs and isn't afraid to ask for them is a turn-on for any man. In the ultimate display of trust and vulnerability, it's sure to leave him wanting more. In short, confidence is sexy. So ladies, don't be afraid to own your power and let your confidence shine through. You never know who might be irresistibly drawn to your bold, fearless spirit. Number 2, sense of humor. Laughter is the best medicine. Unquestionably, having a sense of humor may be a game changer. In particular, when it comes to luring guys, it can be enticing to have a capacity to make a guy laugh with a witty remark or a silly pun. A sharp mind and a sense of humor go hand in hand. Both of these are highly appealing qualities. Women who can make guys laugh are adored by men, since it shows that you don't take yourself too seriously. It reveals your ability to roll with the punches. It also implies you can find joy in the little things. Also, laughing together strengthens relationships. It facilitates creating a stronger relationship. Being quick on your feet with a witty comeback is sure to impress any man. So ladies, don't be afraid to let your sense of humor shine. A well-timed joke or a silly comment could be just the thing to catch a man's eye. It'll keep him coming back for more. Number 3, intelligence. Smart is the new sexy. It's no secret that intelligence is an attractive quality. Men find women who are smart and well-informed to be incredibly appealing. When you're intelligent, you're able to hold your own in a conversation and contribute to a meaningful way. You have a unique perspective and are able to offer insights that others might not have considered. Intelligence is also a sign of independence and confidence, both of which are highly attractive traits. When a man sees that you're capable of knowledgeable, he knows that you're someone that can be respected and admired. Plus, having a partner who challenges him mentally can make for a more stimulating and rewarding relationship. Overall, intelligence is a major turn-on. So ladies, don't be afraid to show off your smarts. You never know who might be drawn to your intelligence and impressed by all that you have to offer. Number 4, kindness. Kindness is beautiful. Kindness is a trait that can often be overlooked, but men who recognize it find its value and find it absolutely irresistible. A kind person not only exudes warmth and generosity, but also brings a sense of comfort and security to those around them. When it comes to dating, men are drawn to women who are kind-hearted and genuine. A woman who is compassionate, empathetic, and thoughtful is a breath of fresh air in a world that can sometimes feel cold and unfeeling. Men are often searching for someone who will support them in their endeavors, uplift them when they're feeling down, and be their partner through thick and thin. A kind woman possesses these qualities in abundance and is someone who can bring out the best in her partner. In short, kindness is a superpower that can attract men like bees to honey. If you possess this trait, you should be proud of it and let it shine through in everything you do. Your kindness can positively impact those around you, and you can be the key to building a strong, lasting relationships with the men in your life. Number 5, independence. There's something undeniably attractive about a woman who's independent, self-sufficient, and confident in her abilities. Men find these traits irresistible because they show that they're someone who can hold their own, who doesn't need someone else to take care of you, and who has a clear sense of purpose and direction in life. When you're independent, you're not looking for someone to complete you or solve all your problems. Instead, you're looking for someone who can complement your life and share your successes and struggles. This kind of attitude is refreshing and empowering, and it's what makes men want to be around you. In fact, men are often drawn to independent women precisely because they know that these women won't settle for just anyone. They want someone who challenges them, who pushes them to be their best selves, and who isn't afraid to speak her mind. And when you're confident in yourself and your abilities, you're much more likely to find a man who respects and values you for who you are. So if you're an independent woman, don't be afraid, embrace it. Your independence is one of your most attractive qualities, and it's sure to draw the right kind of man into your life. Number 6, natural beauty. You are beautiful just the way you are. Men are attracted to women like a magnet because of something about their natural beauty. This is an effortless charm about her that's undeniable, from the way the sun catches the highlights in her hair or the way her eyes sparkle when she laughs. This kind of beauty appeals to men, as it is genuine and particular to the woman. It exudes a distinct aura of confidence and self-assurance. A woman who embraces her natural beauty is a force to be reckoned with. Whether she's dressed up or down, her allure is irresistible to men. Number 7. Passion. Passion attracts attention, and for men it can be irresistible. Your passion for something reflects it in everything you do. Your eyes light up, your voice gets stronger, and your enthusiasm is contagious when it comes to your passion. Guys are naturally drawn to you. After all, everyone likes people who are so vibrant and lively. Your passion makes you unique. It makes you stand out from the crowd. It shows the depth of your character. Such depth is both captivating and attractive. Your passion gives you a life of purpose. It can be a career or a hobby or simply a cause that you care about deeply. It's attractive to others. So go ahead and embrace your passion. Let it shine. You never know who you might attract. Number 8. Femininity. Your beauty lies in your femininity. Men are drawn to a woman's femininity because they find it irresistible. It goes beyond not only your appearance and how you dress, it also has to do with your demeanor, the energy you radiate in a room. Be kind, caring, and sympathetic are all qualities of a woman with the feminine side. Women who can strike a balance between their vulnerability and strength appeal to men. Moreover, men like women who can add a touch of tenderness to a harsh and merciless world. When you embrace your femininity, you exude grace and elegance. You radiate an inner beauty that is hard to ignore. Men love a woman who is comfortable in her own skin, a woman who embraces her unique qualities. You basically stand out from the crowd because of your femininity. This may be the result of your empathetic character. Femininity also reflects your intuition or capacity to create a welcoming environment. Therefore, don't be hesitant to accept and celebrate your femininity. Men will be drawn to the alluring vibe you radiate, whether you're donning a flowing dress, preparing an amazing dinner, or simply being yourself. So embrace your feminine side. It will make you more appealing to men. It will also help you develop a stronger bond with your inner beauty and strength. Number 9. Supportiveness. It's no secret that men love a supportive partner. And why wouldn't they? A supportive partner can make all the difference in achieving their goals and reaching their full potential. Whether it's a career goal or a personal aspiration, having someone in your corner cheering you on can be the ultimate motivator. As a woman, your supportiveness can be an incredibly attractive quality to men. When you show a man that you believe in them, it can make them feel like they can conquer the world. Your encouragement and willingness to help them through tough times can be irresistible. But being supportive doesn't mean being a pushover or sacrificing your own needs and wants. It's about finding a balance between being there for your partner and taking care of yourself. When you strike that balance, you become the ultimate partner, someone who is not only loving and caring, but also supportive and inspiring. So if you're looking to capture a man's heart, consider being his biggest cheerleader. Your supportiveness could be the key to unlocking his true potential and the foundation for a strong, lasting relationship. Number 10. Honesty. Don't we all like honest people? There's no denying that honesty is a key ingredient in any healthy and successful relationship. And when it comes to men, they find women who are honest and transparent absolutely irresistible. There's something incredibly refreshing and attractive about a woman who isn't afraid to speak her mind and be true to herself. When you're honest with a man, you're showing him that you respect him enough to tell him the truth, even when it's difficult or uncomfortable. This builds trust and creates a strong foundation for your relationship to grow and flourish. Not only that, but honesty is also a sign of confidence and self-assuredness. When you're honest with a man, you're showing him that you value yourself and your opinions, and that you're not afraid to stand up for what you believe in. So if you want to make yourself irresistible to men, start by being honest with them. Whether it's about your feelings, your desires, or your boundaries, don't be afraid to speak your truth. You might just be surprised by how much men appreciate and admire your honesty. There you have it, folks. The top 10 things that men find irresistible in women. Now go out there, embrace these qualities, and you'll be sure to catch the eye of that special someone.